Ever wondered what you'd look like as a cute, talking baby? Today, I'm showing you how to turn any photo into a realistic talking baby video, using PippitAIVideo.com, in just a few clicks. No editing skills needed, and the results are mind-blowing. Let's go. Step 1. Go to the website. First, open your browser and go to Pippit.ai or PippitAI.com. Pippit AI Video Maker is a fun and powerful online tool that can turn any image into a talking, animated video, in just minutes. Whether you want to make a realistic lip sync, a funny character, or even a cute talking baby, Pippit AI uses advanced artificial intelligence to bring your photos to life. Step 2. Upload your image. Click on Create Video and upload your image. You can use a baby photo, your own childhood picture, or even an adult photo. The AI will transform it into a baby look. Step 3. Add voice or text. Now, add the voice. You can either record your own voice, upload an audio file, or just type text and let the AI create a cute baby voice automatically. Step 4. Customize and generate. You can adjust expressions, choose languages, and set the animation style. Once ready, hit generate, and the magic begins. Step 5. Download and share. Within seconds, your talking baby video is ready. Just click download, and share it on TikTok, Instagram, or send it to your friends for a good laugh. And that's how easy it is to turn your image into a talking baby with Pippit AI. If you found this useful, drop a like, hit subscribe, and I'll bring you more amazing AI tricks.